Dragy Times. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm pretty excited, you know. This is a BMW M3 E92 with the best gearbox that I've ever used in a car, to be honest with you, the DCT. Today we're going to be doing a review on my thoughts, on how it drives, yeah, and all aspects really, or anything I find poor about the car. So yeah, I thought I'd make an informative video. I think it's a really cool car, these M3s. I believe it's the last naturally aspirated M3 that we're probably ever gonna see. Everything's either 6-cylinder turbocharged, some other things are now 2-litre turbocharged, maybe with some electric, bit of oomph. So yeah, this is like a dinosaur, mate. Like the T-Rex of the M cars. It's got that big growly V8, no turbos to wait for, no lag, pure V8 sound. Yeah, this has got the 4-litre V8 and the engine code is called S65. Oh, this gearbox though. Very, very, I think it's near enough identical to what's in the M5 F10. Oh. The F10 don't sound this good though. One of the first things I want to say about this incredible engine is it's so responsive. You know, it's like tap, tap on the throttle. As soon as you're tapping it, you're getting it here. Push back. Everything I've driven in the past, God knows how long, has been turbocharged. Whether it be 3-litre diesel turbos, 3-litre petrol turbos, 2-litre petrol turbos, 1.9 turbo diesels, everything. I haven't been in a naturally aspirated car with power as a performance car, Mark 5 Golf R32. And yeah, it's, you know what? Okay, yes, you don't get that big bunch of torque at the bottom, whop, whop, and all that, but I don't know what's better. An engine you can rev out to 8,250 RPMs. Which is what these rev to, or something that revs to about 6,800, 7,000 with a load of torque at the bottom. I think the sound of a naturally aspirated engine is way more rewarding to your ears, and they're rare now. Everyone wants the big performance from something small with turbocharged engines, but this is pure. This is pure. Yeah, I love this car. Sorry, I'm already telling you guys from now. This car comes with the EDC suspension, electronic damping control or electronic dynamic control, one or the other. However, it's just a suspension setup, you know, it can adapt to whatever driving style you're potentially doing. Brilliant bit of kit. Right now, we've got it in comfort. I'm not really bouncing around, you know, like the old coilover setups back in the day. But yeah, by a touch of a couple buttons down here next to the gear knob, yeah, you can have like stage 1, stage 2. We do that now, matter of fact. Okay, that's stage 2. Not really on a bumpy road, but you know, you can just feel it through your bum or your spine. Just feeling everything. For a car that's literally iconic for being so good at being on the track, nimble, you know where it is on a corner. Daily driving it, for instance, how I'm doing now, I'm driving a bit slower, you know, I'm trying to get to know the car, see how it is as a daily as well as being driven aggressively. i.e. at the end of this video, I'll be doing Dragy Times with the leaderboard, the Real Talk leaderboard. So stay tuned till the end and you'll see the times. I think this might take the crown, but yeah, back to what we were saying. As a daily, right now, engine's fine. It's not really jerky. The gearbox it's the DCT. You can feel it grab initially, but literally once rolling, every single gear is seamless. Your body does not move, the car does not jolt. And I've got it literally, this has got the strength of how aggressive the gear changes are. And this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, five levels, 5 being the most aggressive, 1 being the most smooth, soft. And right now it's actually in 5, and I thought it'd probably be in comfort, but no, it's literally brilliant. I can't feel no jolting. You'd be able to tell by looking at me anyway. Like, I'm not, you know, I'm stop starting. There's moderate traffic in the area at the minute, and yeah, it's brilliant. The Model M3 today we are reviewing is a 2011, which is a LCI. The LCI is a bit more significant to the pre-LCI. It comes with a better iDrive. I think the bumpers are a little bit more aggressive. However, this car's got a lot of nice upgrades. You know, you got the mineral white paintwork. I don't know if you've seen it in person. Some of you haven't, some of you will have. I think this white is stunning. I've seen Alpine white, that's more a deeper pearly white. But yeah, no, this one is, it's very unique, and it isn't a factory color. You have to choose this from factory when you order the car when it was new back in 2011. And yeah, it's got, literally, this car's got the leather and carbon dashboard pack, Harman Kardon sound system, which by the way is, for BMW, this era, this is decent, very, very decent. Very good bass as well. And yeah, the Harman Kardon tweeters in the doors, you're getting them highs. Yeah, no, it's proper, it's proper. But I think the Harman Kardon's good, but the best sound comes from outside. Yeah, mate, yeah, it's literally like the power. Okay, yep, the discs are a little bit squeaky, but performance has been okay so far. We'll check that on the twisties. This car's living proof, you know. You don't need 700, 1,000
and 2,000
to get the adrenaline going and have a nice, pure, spirited, connected drive. Oh, tunnel. Oh. Yeah, no, these are brilliant. I'm not even gonna lie. I ain't even felt the full power. I haven't revved it out to 8.2 yet. I've just literally gone to what, 4.5, 5 nearly? This DCT gearbox is so good, man. Like, it literally is 7 speeds as well, for those who don't know. So top speeds, it must do silly miles per hour. I think this must do, I don't know, because these are 414 horsepower from factory. With this power, it must do 185. That's if it's restricted. I think this has had some sort of tune, which drastically don't change the power, but I think it takes away the speed limiter when you can go to Mexico or... Effortless gear changes there. Oh, fucking hell. Whoa, the RPMs. Okay. Yeah, that's a proper, that's a proper M car. I can feel the diff working mid-corner. Oh, what a chassis. Sorry guys, I'm getting well excited. Let me close the window. Got a bit of wind noise. What an engine and chassis. Yeah, no, this is adrenaline. It's up there, it's up there. Brilliant bit of kit. And this car has currently got the auto high beam assist. So for instance, if you put 4 beams on at night, there's vehicles coming on the other side of maybe a dual carriageway, it will automatically cut out where that car's coming from on the other side of the road, but keep the rest all lit up. And then when that car then gets out of vision of the sensors, light up that side all over again, so the whole thing's all lit up again. To me, that's a special bit of kit, you know, for what, a 2011, 2010 era car. Oh, Brabus just went past. Oh. This car's got some beautiful red leather seats, man. The leather is not your normal leather. It's mad soft. This engine's also got 400 Newton meters of torque at 3,900 RPMs. That's considerably good considering it's naturally aspirated, you know, and it's a high revvy engine. It's not a torque machine. I think that's more than enough, you know. And these are the heated memory seats as well, so you can pre-save your setting of where you want the seat. Let's say you have I don't know, a girlfriend or a partner who drives the vehicle too, and it will automatically, on the M1 and M2 savings, save the 2 different seat positions. So as soon as you press, I don't know, set 1 for the man, 2 for the woman, let's say, yeah, it will literally go to that setting where you saved. Yeah, and the heated seats as well, 3-stage heated seats. Do you know what, back in 2010-11, I don't know what more you would want. A car that screams over 8,000 RPMs with a V8 pure sound. With the looks, it looks mad aggressive. I don't know what more you would want, you know? Like, is it the ideal car? Famous Dragy times. Right, here we go. Cut to the Dragy section. We'll be doing 20 to 70 miles per hour, the time test between them speeds. And we've got a little leaderboard going on. We've done quite a few BMWs, to be fair. It's going to be intriguing to see how this M3 E92 gets on against the likes of like the M140i, etc. All right, traction control off. Wait for the right moment. On this 70 miles per hour road. Get that GoPro on. That felt quick. Oh mate, straight away beat the stage 2 M140i time. Wow, and that one even perfect. I feel that I had a little second gear, a little step out.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I felt that. See, that's the thing with the M cars, you can feel exactly where the rear end is. No disrespect, M140i with a B58 engine is absolutely brilliant, but because it hasn't got a diff, when it was spinning through first to second, I don't know, it's just sloshy. I don't know, you know it is, but it's a bit wallowy. Whereas this, my bum knows where the rear's gonna go, where it sits, which one's got, yeah, it's nuts. Yeah, diffs are underrated. No wonder they're like $2 grand, $3 grand to put into other cars like the non-LSD cars. Yeah, we're gonna do a couple other runs. Join you in a second. And here we go, run 2. What do you reckon, guys? 4.46 verified, not quick enough? Maybe some of you have got M3s and you've done 20 to 70s and got better times. Should be better than me. It's, you know, it's my first time driving an M3 E92. So yeah, we're gonna go for run 2 now. Just waiting for the sufficient gap in the mirror. Tires are a bit cold, but we have got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on here. So yeah, they should be able to handle this anyway. And we're off. Come on, straighten up. Much better. Wow, that was much better, much better. What? It's saying it's not verified. And I did the run in exactly the same place. 4.10. Can't be. It's in exactly the same place, guys. Oh, draggy, you do my head in. Right, there's another slope here.
Today, Junior!
I'm gonna pull over on the hard shoulder and we're gonna try and go again, but this looks more slopey. Right, that's set, 4.10, but it said it was invalid, but it was the same place, and I pulled away the same spot as the first run, and the first run was verified at 4.46. Let's try here. Come on. That's not far from being a 3-second car, 20 to 70. Right, we're gonna go for run 3. Ready? Come on, verified. A little bit of a spin there. 4.09 invalid. Oh, draggy, you stressed me out. 4.09 invalid at 197 slow. I'm gonna give it one more shot, otherwise I'm gonna have to take the 4.46 as the verified time to put on the leaderboard for the M3 E92. See you in a sec. Right guys, the last run, the final run. Yeah, this is run 4. We've got to beat that, come on. It feels, I don't know, from my memory, I don't know if it's because it's now, but it feels faster than the M140i Stage 2 that I drove. That was an MHD tune, so it wasn't the most aggressive Stage 2, but I don't know if it's because it's putting down the power a lot more. This is more engaging. Come on, let's end this video on a high. Ready, and we are out. Straighten up, go. Yes, much better. That's got to be definitely verified. What the fish finger? 4.11 with a 1.15 slope. That, oh mate. That is not an invalid slope. Sorry guys for this interrupted end. A bit of a newbie error. My memory card got full, so I got none of the outro. I'm so annoyed, so annoyed. However, I see the video as very informative and a bit of a laugh, so I had to tell you how the leaderboard stands. Before this video, it looked like this. And now, after reviewing the e92 M3 DCT with a remap, the leaderboard now looks like this. So yes guys, we have a new king of the leaderboard, the BMW M3 e92 DCT. Stay tuned everyone. There will be lots of test times doing from 20 to 70 on this leaderboard. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're new, and if you're gonna talk, make sure it's real talk. There's loads more of content coming. Keep your eyes peeled, put the bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.